What's up, scooter heads and YouTube? It is Paul from Voltage MotoWerks here again. Thank you so much for your patience. It's been a long last few months organizing and orchestrating everything. We're super grateful and super thankful for collaborating with Weped Korea and Weped North America. And it's gonna be a lot of big plans in the works for the next few years here. But it's been a little bit of a wait, but finally it is here. The new 2023 Weped Sonic X. You've seen all the videos, you've seen all the social media, the riding videos. These are how scooters should be shipped on a wooden pallet like this. I think a lot of the factories don't do this because they like to, cut corners, save on costs, and it's understandable. This thing is very, very well put together. It's over 200 pounds, so they had a forklift bring this in, and then we squeezed into the garage here. Very solid. We're gonna do a thorough unpacking, go through the internals, making sure everything's okay, and then we're gonna have another video where we're gonna do a full top to bottom test. But we are super excited, very blessed, and so grateful for all the support from everybody in the community. So stay tuned. We will see you guys on the second video.